In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom templates in PowerPoint. Creating a personalized template can streamline your workflow, saving you time and effort by providing a consistent design from the outset, which you can apply to multiple presentations. This video will walk you through each step to ensure you're comfortable with the whole process. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you will want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Just find that familiar orange icon either in your taskbar, start menu, or desktop. A quick click and you'll be greeted by a new or recent presentation. Next, navigate to the PowerPoint presentation that you'd like to turn into a template. You can either create a new presentation or modify an existing one that already has your preferred slides, colors, fonts, and layouts. Think about what designs and layouts you frequently use and make sure those are well represented in your slides. This part is crucial because the template you create will serve as the foundation for future presentations. Once you're satisfied with your design, head over to the File tab in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on the File tab will take you to a new menu with various options for managing your file. Among these options, you'll see an option marked Save As. When you click on this, you'll open up a dialog box asking where and under what name you'd like to save your file. This part is where you officially begin crafting your template. In the file name field, type in a name for your new template. It's helpful to choose a name that is descriptive and makes sense to you so you can easily find and recognize it later. Then you need to choose the right file type for your template. To do this, look for a drop-down menu usually labeled Save as Type. Click on it to see a list of available file types. Here you will choose PowerPoint Template as the file extension. This particular file format is key. It ensures your design is saved as a template rather than a standard presentation file. PowerPoint will save your presentation as a POTX file, which can be used as a template for future presentations. Once you've named your file and selected the PowerPoint template extension, you can save your new template by clicking the Save button. Your template is now ready for use. Whenever you start a new presentation, you can select your custom template from PowerPoint's template chooser. Just navigate to the location where you saved it, and you're all set to create presentations with a consistent and professional look. Congratulations, you've just simplified your presentation design process. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to create efficient, stylish presentations moving forward. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.